My first period class will start at exactly 7:30 and it's time check at 7:25. So, lapel check and of course our class record and ready to go. And of course our laptop. Hi guys, so it's recess time. So it's time for us to eat. So ang atong recess karon is kwek-kwek and it's a hot dog too. So let's eat. Food. Second is kwek-kwek. So let's eat this. Hi guys, so it's 3:35 and the weather is not giving, charas. The weather is kinda cloudy or di siya cloudy yun. Mura na siya og kanang close to muulan na gyud siya guys. So yes, maano siya guys. So I will show you. OMG! Ang lakas ng hangin. It's happening. Oh my gosh. So that's it. So we're waiting mag 4:30 para maka-out na niyo guys. So, ano si Ma'am Marley? Hi Ma'am Marley. Ano siya ang office mate. Office mate. And si Sir Mario is na dito. Among boss.
It's yung boss.
Among bossing. So now I'm just reviewing my lesson about crops. So I am now in the agriculture lesson. So we're talking about the crops now. And yeah. Hi guys, so I am with my doggies. This is Tofu Bear and this is Coco Bear.
Hello,
Tofu Bear!
Tips that the official weekly personnel join the trips. But if the trip
in the heart of changing quality. Brigada Balita Nationwide. Brigada News. Brigada Balita. Balita Nationwide ngayong umaga. Bahagya pang lumakas habang
Hi guys, now thank God it's Friday and now it's 8:15 and I am printing cards. I'm printing cards for next week's viewing of cards. So, garlic bread. Spokesperson. Hi there! Now we are here at Santa Cruz Because ako ang sundoon ng akong ate Bon. Kaya muli ito siya tutorial guys. Si tatay nag-CR sa siya guys. So dito if you can see him walking. Looking for a comfort room. Kaya marag medyo tugnog kaayo ang ano guys. No? Tugnog kayo ang world. Tugnog ang world. So yeah. So we are here waiting sa St. Joseph Parish. And you know what? Kanina si St. Joseph, isa gud siya sa patron saint na isa gud siya sa saint nga nag-pray jud ko nga sa ako ang mabana. So unta ang ako ang boyfriend karon is hatag ni siya ni St. Joseph. So yeah. So, bato. So, ano si Bond din guys? Correct. Hi guys, now we are here at Amuso Amuso Hospital because si Budjens magpinataw siya doon. So, so, under ako allergic rhinitis and it's so sad. So, palit tayo sa Teresin sa pharmacy. Hi guys! Now, we are here at SM Lanang with Bon. So, karoon sa Bon ang itong kauban guys. Kuma naman ang vlog with Itchang. So, karoon si Bon. So, yeah. So, nag-mask ko because na-under ako allergic rhinitis. And pag aircon, bawag na. Mugara siya. Like, you know, it's a struggle. So, laban lang. Lots of food. Have the bulgogi kimbap side dishes. Yeah, this mandu. Wow, amazing. We love this. My eldest sister, she for the Bontes woman. Bon, can you please try their tteokbokki? So go Bon, try their tteokbokki. How was it, Bon? Cheers, guys. Cheers. Eggplant. Eggplant side dish. Eggplant. Meron dumpling. Man. Wow, Bon, food vlogger.
In my food vlogging era.
Wow, amazing ka dyan, Bon.
Hi guys, so we have here is fish cake. Fish cake na meron siyang taco. And meron din siyang mga
job.
Hi guys, we're here at Uniqlo and this is my first. Babalik ako ang lighting dito. Perfect. Perfect ka born.
Baby is showing.
Sige pa ganyan na yan, katulad na yung mga makeup.
Dito si Kay guys kasi siya ay sumunod. Oasis of Love pa na siya. Na always. Simbod siya. Charas. Ano kaya? Hi guys. So let's eat this ilaw-ilaw or yaw-yaw. My sister with my sisters.
Ikaw doon yun.
Isa na kanta Kay.
May ganda ni Nathan sa'yo. Alaala na lang. May hambog ng
Humble. Yun po yung kanta ng aking sa akin guys. Ng aking first love. The sea. Toot!
Correct ka, Bon. Ito ang buhay ni Bon at siya ay naghahanap na mga pang-baby na scambird. Scambird! Mother Bonnie. Nanay Bon, Mommy Bon, Mama Bon, or whatever.
Ano na ba ito?
Okay, go. Diyan, pak, correct. Perfect.
Hi guys, so we are here at Coffee Bean. Kay, mubalit may upuan, something like matcha, ice matcha, or chai, and I'm with my sister, so
But, anong feeling mo na ikaw ay buntis? Wapa kay kadira mo. Wapa ang lighting dira. Wapa ang lighting dira.
Diri ah.
hello sa inyo lahat. Magandang hapon. Meet tayo ngayon sa Coffee Bean at pagkakalakayin natin ang isang controversial na topic ngayon. Ang Coffee Bean. Financial lunch. Hi guys! Now we are here at Matthews with my current boyfriend.